we're going to put them into the natural log form, but it's basically the same thing. But first, let's remember y is equal to the ln of x. X is equal to e to the y. Okay, that's our formula to transfer back and forth. Okay, so basically I have e to the y is equal to x. I just flipped it around on that. And so that means that I'm going to y is equal to ln of x. Would you agree with me on that one? So think of it this way. Just put the e becomes a ln if it flips side. So that means that x is going to be the ln of 14. Good? Does that make sense? Okay. And if we leave it in this form, okay, that means that's actual. If we plug and chug in the calculator, so we haven't used this verbiage a whole lot, and I do the ln of 14, because it's decimal out, it would be, let's see, what are we doing? To the nearest 10,000, so 2.639. That's what we'd call estimated. Okay? So if they're rounding out, it's like they're estimating it out because it's rounded. If that makes sense? Good? Yes? All right, for number 2, I want to simplify it first. So that means I'm going to subtract 1 and get e to the x is equal to 26. I want it in e to be by itself, so I can put it into the ln. So I'm going to divide by 2 first. So that's the main thing that you got to do first. When we were doing logs, it really didn't matter. You could do it both ways. But for the natural ones, you need to get it e by itself first. So that means if I put that over there, then x becomes the ln of 13. And I'm at 2.565. Good? Easy peasy? Okay, what do I want to do first on C?
Divide by 3. Or no.
Why do you say no?
I don't know. I just said, oh wait. Will you divide by 3?
Yep.
Oh.
Because I want to get e by itself first. So, yeah, divide by 3. So e to the negative 5x is equal to 3. So now what do I want to do? Kelly, what do you think? I'm in this format where I have e, flip it over, so negative 5x is equal to the ln of 3. Good morning. And then I can just divide by negative 5, thank you, and do some plugging and chugging. So the ln of 3, I'm going to close that off, divided by negative 5 gives me a negative 0. Rounding that up is going to be 22. Good? Alrighty. So today we have some practice. The first two, again, is just rewriting. And then we're gonna do some solving with the logs. And then we have a couple E's in there. Okay, and then answers down there. So it's kind of like a work day. Questions? Comments? Any cares? Are you awake? No, you're all shaking your head no. Alrighty.